Hi everyone, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today's video is extremely important for every Indian who wants to understand the future of jobs, the future of work, and the future of India's economy in an AI driven world. Artificial intelligence is growing faster than anything we have ever seen in the history of technology. AI is changing how companies operate, how employees work, how students learn, and how businesses grow. Some people are excited about AI and the opportunities it brings. Some people are scared and worried about job loss and automation. And some people are simply confused because they hear conflicting information. So, in today's video, I will take you through a very detailed, simple, easy to understand explanation of how AI will impact India's economy, which jobs are safe and which jobs are at risk, what skills Indians must develop, how AI will affect IT, agriculture, education, healthcare, finance, and government, what India must do to stay ahead, the pros and cons of AI, and what you personally should do to secure your future. This is going to be a long and detailed video because the topic deserves deep explanation. So grab a cup of coffee, sit comfortably, and let's begin our journey of understanding AI and the future of work in India. In simple words, artificial intelligence or AI means machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. AI is not magic. AI is not a robot with hands and legs. AI is simply math, logic, patterns, and large amounts of data. For example, when you type in Google search and it predicts what you want to search, that is AI. When YouTube recommends videos based on your interests, that is AI. When Swiggy and Zomato show food suggestions, that is AI. When Ola and Uber calculate pricing, that is AI. AI has been around for decades, but after the introduction of deep learning, machine learning, and large language models, AI became more powerful. In today's world, AI can write emails, generate videos, build websites, analyze documents, make music, identify objects in photos, understand voice commands, predict trends, automates entire workflows. So, AI is not just a tool, AI is an entirely new way of working. India has a huge advantage when it comes to AI adoption because India has the youngest workforce in the world, millions of engineers, developers, and IT professionals, large scale digital infrastructure like Aadhaar, UPI, FASTag, a growing tech startup ecosystem, a global demand for Indian talent makes it easier for adoption of AI in India. AI is going to become one of the biggest economic drivers worldwide. Countries that adopt AI early will see massive growth. For India, AI can boost economic growth, create millions of new digital jobs, improve government services, make businesses more efficient, help farmers increase productivity, improve healthcare for rural India, support financial inclusion, strengthen cybersecurity. India can become a global AI powerhouse, but only if we prepare properly. Even though AI looks powerful, it has many weaknesses. Here are the biggest weaknesses of AI. AI makes mistakes and sometimes confidently. For example, AI can mislabel an image or give incorrect information. AI depends on data. If the data is bad, the results are bad. AI cannot replace human judgment. A doctor's decision, a manager's strategy, a teacher's emotional support, AI cannot replicate these. AI lacks common sense. Ask an AI what happens if you put a refrigerator inside a refrigerator. It may give a weird answer. AI may hallucinate. It may generate fake facts that look real. AI cannot understand emotions truly. It can simulate emotions but not feel them. AI struggles with unpredictable situations. Human brains are far more adaptable. So AI is not perfect, it is powerful but also unreliable in certain places. Let's talk about the negative side of AI because this is very important. Job loss and automation. Some repetitive jobs will reduce because AI is faster and cheaper. For example, a customer support agent who answers simple questions, AI chatbots can do it. A data entry clerk can be replaced with the AI automation. Privacy risks. AI tools collect large amounts of personal data, deepfakes, and fake information. AI can create fake videos of political leaders, celebrities, or normal people. Sometimes addiction and overdependence is present in the AI. People may stop overthinking and rely too much on AI. Bias and discrimination. If AI is trained with biased data, the output will also be biased. Cybersecurity threats. AI can be used by hackers to generate malware. Digital divide in India. Urban India may benefit, but rural areas may be left behind if not trained properly. AI is powerful but dangerous if misused. This is the biggest fear. Will AI take away Indian jobs? The truth is, AI will remove some jobs, AI will change most jobs, and AI will create new jobs. Let's break it down simply. Jobs at high risk in India include data entry operators, basic customer support, telecalling, repetitive admin work, low level content writing, form filling, document processing, simple accounting, basic graphics design. Jobs at medium risk include HR screening, basic IT support, junior developers, email based operations, digital marketing interns. Jobs safe from AI include doctors, nurses, electricians, plumbers, teachers who have the human connection, leaders and managers, senior engineers, architects, skilled technicians, cybersecurity experts, creatives with original ideas. Jobs that AI will create would include AI trainers, AI workflow designers, prompt engineers, data annotators, AI safety specialists, automation engineers, cybersecurity analysts, cloud engineers, robotics technicians, drone operators, AI integration experts. So AI will change jobs, not destroy the job market completely. So here is the most important part that you should do. To stay relevant and future proof, you should do this. You should learn to use AI tools. AI is not your enemy, it is your assistant. You should start building IT and digital skills. Even basic AI literacy will help. You should start strengthening your communication skills. AI cannot replace great human communication. You should start specializing instead of doing generic work. Generic skills will be replaced by AI and specialized skills will grow. You should start doing continuous learning. The people who learn fast will succeed. You should start working on creativity and critical thinking. AI cannot replace original ideas. You should start building something in your domain expertise, whether it's finance, HR, IT, or marketing. Deep knowledge always matters. You should start focusing on problem solving. AI alone cannot solve real world human problems. These 8 steps alone can protect your career. AI will definitely automate basic coding. Demand for senior developers will increase. Cloud, along with AI, along with automation, will open new roles. AI will help with AI based crop prediction, drones for fertilizers, smart irrigation, less dependency on manual labor. AI will help with the robots for assembly lines, automated quality control, predictive maintenance. Even healthcare has a few benefits with respect to AI. Telemedicine with AI support, AI based diagnostics, medical robots, foster rural healthcare. When it comes to education, AI helps with personalized learning, virtual tutors, AI attendance and reports, skill based training. AI helps with fraud detection, AI based investment advisors, digital banking automation. AI can help with smart inventory, AI recommendations, automated customer support. AI helps with smart governance, predictive policing, AI in transportation and traffic, faster public services. Every sector will be transformed, not destroyed. AI will not only change jobs, it will change how Indians live. Imagine you speak to your phone and it handles all tasks. AI plans your day, AI translates languages instantly, personalized learning for every child, AI diagnosing diseases at home, virtual assistants booking tickets, paying bills, doing taxes, farmers using apps to detect crop diseases, elderly people getting AI powered care. India will become more efficient and productive. India has several advantages: large technical workforce, strong IT industry, fast digital adoption, government support in the form of Digital India, UPI and other infrastructure, startup boom, global trust in Indian developers. India can become the next AI hub if we continue growing. When it comes to challenges of AI, India definitely has a few challenges. A few of them are skill gap, uneven education quality, lack of AI infrastructure in villages, slow adoption in traditional industries, low investment in research, poor awareness of emerging technologies, regulatory challenges. These must be fixed. Let's talk about the positive side: faster decision making, higher productivity, better customer experience, new job roles, better medical diagnosis, improved agriculture, fraud detection in finance, reduced errors, cost savings, smarter businesses. AI will accelerate India's economic growth significantly. We must definitely acknowledge the disadvantages of AI. The first one being the job replacement, privacy risks, dependency of machines, lack of creativity, ethical concerns, deep fakes, manipulation risks, social inequality, misuse by criminals. We must prepare responsibly. By 2030, India could integrate AI in every industry, train millions in AI skills, build AI powered schools and hospitals, lead in AI based governance, become a global IT along with AI exporter, run smart cities with AI, improve agriculture using drones and analytics, boost manufacturing using robotics, reduce poverty with better targeting. AI can add $500 billion to India's GDP if used properly. The final advice: if you want to secure your future, learn AI tools, build strong communication skills, focus on problem solving, combine technical and human skills, be adaptable, keep upgrading yourself, always stay curious. The future belongs to those who learn continuously. Thank you so much for watching this detailed explanation of AI and the future of work in India. I hope this helped you understand what changes are coming and what actions you need to take. AI is not something to fear. AI is a tool, and those who know how to use it will thrive. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Mithun Diaries. Your support motivates me to bring more detailed, meaningful content. This is Mithun signing off. Take care of yourself, stay positive, and keep learning. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.